So wifey complains to me, asks me to lay on my side when I go to bed because I'm snoring. I happen to know you're a snorer, so you can probably relate to this. So I'm like, okay, well, I can try. I mean, I'll start off on my side, but eventually I'm going to end up on my back because I'm a back sleeper. That's what I do.
Yeah.
I sleep like I'm dead. Like my arms go up on my chest, and you wouldn't know if I wasn't snoring. You wouldn't know if I was dead or alive. But so so she says, so I said, why don't you just wake me up or do something to get me to stop? So I tried everything. Well, you tried everything. You're gonna tell me that I was that out of it that there was no way you could get me to stop snoring. Like if I was in her shoes, I would go to even the last resort where you just kind of pinch the person's nose. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. Or if you want to be sly about it, you can give the boys a little feel and maybe rub the tip a little. That if that doesn't wake you up, I don't know what will. I mean, so it got me thinking, and I'm just like, man, we always have conversations, and I tell her stuff, and she doesn't hear me, or she claims she didn't hear me, when more likely she's just ignoring what I'm saying, but that's what she claims. So you never hear anything that I fucking say, but you hear me snoring. Which is it? Like I don't get it. And honestly, what am I supposed to do about that? It seems like that's a you problem, not a me problem. Like we're
Fall
all
asleep before me.
yeah, true. But she says she does that, but then she wakes up and or I wake her up, which to me is like, well, we're humans. We're supposed to evolve, right? So evolve your
Adapt.
yeah, exactly. Evolve your fucking hearing and deal with my goddamn snoring. Like, what do you want me to do about it? That's something I can control.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm sure there's plenty of wives and girlfriends out there that want to kick my ass, for bringing up these thoughts, and saying it's their fault and their issue. But hey, it is what it is. As long as I'm sleeping good.